this is Joan of Art, and we're here at the Stonehill Suites. This is Yoyo's Wonderland. Yoyo Land, actually. So it's a Christmas village right here in Bacolod City, and everyone is inside trying to get a glimpse of this light festival. So I'm at the top of the penthouse with Tantan. Tantan, I'm checking out the menu for the New Year's Eve buffet. You think it's okay? What's the difference? Ikaw, yeah, you've been allergic. Would you recommend?
Highly recommended.
Really? Really? So is it worth? Kaya ang sa Elfish or kasi sa daw 990, 999. Dili, it's like 200 pesos more expensive. So what do you think? Ano ang aris dili? Na mas mahal diya how by 200? All right, we're here at here at the lobby of Stonehill Suites, and outside, of course, is the Christmas Wonderland. Look how wonderful it is here. They're still lining up. So, yay! Hello. So we're going up, and it's only a 2 to 3 minute tour for 15 pesos only. So for us to have a view of what's inside. Hi! This is for RJ. Look! Wow, this is Disneyland. Wow. 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 Yep. So that's the hotel, it's Stonehill. And look at this festival of lights. Woo! Amazing! Christmas Wonderland here. How good it is to be a child again here at Stonehill. Okay, wow, look at that. There's Basit and RJ. So everything is like a Disneyland, and everybody's down there viewing everything. Wow.
Dito tiyak puro sa piha.
So look at all these people lining up to get up here for only 15 pesos, and for 2 to 3 minutes it's one heck of a ride, and it's just right in front of Stonehill Suites, your local hotel here in Bacolod. For your New Year's Eve buffet, they're serving dinner for 1,199.
Sorry.
So this is Joan of Art. Merry Christmas, Happy New Year, everyone. Until next year. Happy New Year, everyone. Bye for now. See you in our next video.